Back when archaeologists decided to take a closer anatomy of history, historical points, they looked through evidence and came across something rather shocking. It was out of the blue. They found the evidence to see humanity had taken a move to the other side of the land at the time. This was where the continents were all over the place, so they pondered and pondered, and then they wondered just how this journey was made. They couldn't possibly have walked all the way from Africa to Indonesia. It was hard to believe, for in the middle of it all, of this journey, was at least 100 kilometers of sea in between for them to cross through 800,000 years ago. How did they get to their current destination with lackluster equipment? But as they looked around, they saw that they were all surrounded by a forest of bamboo, and so they took time to cut and tie these pieces together. And who would have ever guessed that this was the evidence of something to come? Rafts of bamboo, reed, bark, shells, wicker, and logs. Man was smarter than we think. Their minds were in sync, and so the evidence of boat use came all into sync in the last ice age, the ice age, where glaciers and bears ruled the lands and travel routes were dangerous, scarce. And so tools got sophisticated, rules got complicated. Each nation built itself a boat to begin with, which were canoes in the American area, and kayaks and umiaks in Inuit territory, and dugout canoes and seaboats. And soon we had the introduction of metal. Things became metal clad. We soon had all the components. We had all of it. We were strong enough to advance and then think our way through it and do it. We made sails, and then sailing begins right around the exact same period that I'll be explaining.